Welcome to this eagerly awaited meeting of these two teams.
The home team has gone with a strong lineup here. Now let's look at the away team.
So we're off. Which way will this game go?
Well read.
Well intercepted. Passed inside. And that's a throw-in.
Mendy, he's won the ball back again.
Looking for the striker. Moving down the flanks here.
And he's launched the ball into the box. Otamendi with the clearance.
Ramos.
Now this could be costly. Sterling. Jesus.
Well intercepted. It's with the striker. That's well played. Played into the box.
And this really takes the pressure off the defence. Not a good decision there. This could cost his team. Fine tackle by Walker.
And it's saved by the keeper. Looking for the strike. Aguero shoots.
Oh, they needed to get that one away, and they have.
Dangerous tackle there. That'll be a booking. Yellow card. We all know what this player can do from this kind of... Oh, well taken by the goalkeeper. Oh, that could be painful. The refs sent him off. It's a red card.
Luis with the free kick.
Oh, can't believe he shot from there. What a waste.
He really should be hitting the target.
Well, an eventful first half here with one team a player down. The other team will want to take full advantage in the second half.
So new players are on the pitch, and they make an impact, though, in this second half. It's 0-0. Or will that change in the second half? It's level. It looks like this team is going for the win today.
Well cut out.
Oh, he did really well there. Here's a chance to attack. Danilo. Whipped in.
Gets the header in. Good save.
Eriksen gets the ball.
Messi.
And there's the shot.
He's got under that a bit too much, I think. Well, let's take another look at that. Launched upfield by the keeper. Oh, that was close.
And here's a chance.
He got a good hand behind that. And has gone out of play. Let's see what difference the change makes. And that's into the box.
Headed goalwards.
Played into the box. Well taken goal.
Let's have a look at that one. He rose above everyone there and got a good connection. What a well-placed header. That's been coming. He'll be pleased getting on the score sheet, but can he add to it? And the players have finished celebrating, and we're back underway. Sterling, well read.
Captain on the ball. Well cut out.
He showed a bit too much to the opposition there. Shoots. That's a safe piece of goalkeeping.
He has a go. Oh, well taken by the goalkeeper.
This talented player's really taking control today. Otamendi with the clearance.
Down the line.
Well to win the ball back. Oh, he did really well there. Stones, big tackle. They've won the ball back again.
Can they make it count? The striker was looking forward to that. The defender could be in trouble here. And well out. Ibrahimovic. He mistimed his run. He's well offside. Close lead here, but the losing side can still salvage a point as they look threatening on the attack. The fourth official has indicated 3 minutes of stoppage time.
Oh, well intercepted.
Referee calls play back for an offside.
He was offside by some distance. Let's have a look at that one again. They're winning. They need to defend well here.
They're appealing, but he's onside.
Surely now! It's saved by the keeper. His teammates swarm him, and rightly so. Great stuff. Will be pleased with results like this.
Well, that's definitely the right choice he made.
He put in more than 100%, and the man of the match award is well deserved.